Hey guys, Lindsey here, back with another episode of Weekly Whimsy. This is our dedicated space to dive deep into some inspiring projects and innovations. If you're ready, let's jump in. Starting off with our thriving Discord community of over 3,736 tech enthusiasts. It's a quick pulse on what's trending in tech, so dive in for some quick insights and lively discussions. Transitioning over to Powered by Pinata, let me introduce you to Feature. They aren't just redefining entertainment, they're driving the very evolution of storytelling. Envision a platform that empowers brands and creators with the tools for groundbreaking content experiences. And guess what? They're partnering with the likes of Netflix for projects like Love, Death, and Art, and leveraging their tech for Bored Ape Yacht Club's The Degen Trilogy. It's pretty groundbreaking, right? As a reminder, all links will be down in the description box below. Okay, let's dive in to some Web3 news. Did you know that Sega's co-COO, Shuji Utsumi, is bullish on the future of blockchain gaming and NFTs in video games? Quite a turnaround from the few months ago when he labeled play-to-earn games as boring. Now, Sega's exploring blockchain's potential, even licensing its Sengokushi Taisen card game to blockchain firm DoubleJump.Tokyo. Their aim? A new trading card game brimming with NFT cards. It's not just about reviving old IP, it's about redefining what's possible in gaming. And now for a quick tech nugget. Have you ever wondered about the potential of IPFS for decentralized storage? Imagine a digital realm free from the clutches of centralization. IPFS is that revolutionary protocol pushing the internet's boundaries. At its core, it challenges us to reimagine the future of data storage. If you've been curious about it, check out our latest blog post titled IPFS for Decentralized Storage. There's so much to uncover. And there you have it. Another episode of Weekly Whimsy is in the books. If you're vibing with what I'm putting out there, definitely be sure to hit that subscribe and like buttons and join our community. But until our next journey together, keep exploring and happy pinning. Bye guys!